Get the best Garfield, New Jersey mobility disability ramp installation services. A new professional wheelchair ramp installation service has been launched for customers around Garfield, New Jersey. The new service is designed to help make any location more accessible, while improving indoor and outdoor mobility. Mobility Services LLC provides local, affordable mobility solutions and wheelchair ramps available in different sizes and styles. Check out their full service package today. Find out more at stairliftsnj.net.